Hello again. We are back again with the fifth puzzle. The fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle, and it's in today's newspaper in the additional of Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2020. The first binary puzzle will be number 15. No, it's not 15, it's 1600. 1600 Sudokus I have uploaded. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here and one, there and one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here and one, there and one. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 O's in this column. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones here. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a O, an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then double 1 here, no there, no. 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column, not allowed. So this cannot be 1, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Do I need to compare? Need more information. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2. Yeah, I need to compare. Look, this row and that row. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 O's, so the rest are O's. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. And then need to compare again? Yeah. Need to compare. Well. No. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Then we need to compare, I think. We have yes, this one and that one. empty box 00111100011 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O, we have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright, now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Compare again, yes. Do I need to compare the rows? I see this and the second row 1100110011 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. A lot of comparing. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the binary puzzle number 2. See you later. Bye bye for now.